This is the first time that we joined because, of course, Lapu-Lapu has just recently been, formed. No? We've just been a few months, so well, technically almost a year. So this is something that we wanted to join specifically because Lapu-Lapu is known to be a tourism destination, and Lapu-Lapu is very tourism centric. So a bulk of our economic, let's say, demography for Lapu-Lapu is really the hotels and the resorts that you see here and this very beautiful venue here in Mactan. No? So we did collaborate with Cebu Chamber, and we talked with also the other chambers that it might be appropriate for the tourism segment of the Cebu Business Month in partnership with Lapu-Lapu Chamber to be held here in Mactan.
You're one of the speakers, and you've heard also the discussion about
Yes. So I
series of
was part of the
discussion.
panel.
Yeah.
So I was in the panel on the Visayas Island Tourism Alliance. So technically, we are Lapu-Lapu is part of the Philippine Chamber's push in order to promote tourism amongst the islands that are like Lapu-Lapu, Panglao, Siquijor, Boracay, Biliran, Guimaras. So though we started with those six islands here in the Visayas, those that have tourism as a dominant force in their economic growth. So those are the things that we are looking at in terms of tying up not only with the chambers that are within Cebu, but also tying up with the chambers around Visayas and how we can complement each other.
With the statement of Commissioner Pato, you know, um, not only mice, but he mentioned about the
Smice.
sports.
Yes.
So, what's your take on it?
So it's good. I mean, in tourism these days, you need to diversify. So meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions and events are always something that would give you a steady flow of revenue in terms of tourism and in terms of room bookings and in terms of let's say bookings also for your venues also no for our hotel providers and also our very various tourism players here in Lapu-Lapu and bring in sports. And one example is the Ironman that we'll have in August 9th. So that is one of the segments in which will continue to give growth for tourism here in Lapu-Lapu.
Your message to our constituents and also the tourists, local and international, to come here in Lapu-Lapu.
For the tourists here, that are on this channel now and those that will be looking at this in the future, please come over to Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu is not only a place where you have nice beaches, but also you can conduct business here. I mean, you could be in the conference room 1 minute, then step out, you'll be in the beach. So, and enjoy the waters here in Lapu-Lapu.
Thank
That's
you.
it.